I'm in Melbourne Beach today. This is Linda Landman with Remax Aerospace. I'm in Melbourne Beach at my friend Eva McMillan's open house. This is amazing. Let's start out front. Hey, it's Linda Landman with Remax Aerospace. I'm here today at my friend Eva McMillan's open house. You see behind me, we're actually in the front of the house. Can you believe it? So, I'm going to try to give you a tour. We're down in South Mel Beach, past Blinking Light. Yes, that's an address. Change it for some reason while you're filming. Go ahead. I have to start getting used to doing this. Here we go. We're all going into the open house.
Please come on in.
It's exciting. What's the address again?
It is 6715 South Highway A1a in Melbourne Beach.
There you go.
Listed by Eva McMillan.
I already said that, but that's okay. So we're on the first floor. Thing has the prettiest light fixtures. I'm not going to do too much today. Kind of give you an idea of what we got here, because here, as you can see, is where it all happens.
Are you going I don't remember which car you're in.
Google Ads.
I think it was the one, because I think I was actually parked behind you, and I thought, maybe the way you drive your car.
Yes, please.
So folks, here it is. I could take you upstairs. I can show you this beautiful place. But when it all boils down to it, this is the money shot. I love this house. There's like little waves down here, and it's 2 levels. It's on Melbourne Beach. Wanted to get y'all out, see what we have to offer down here.